Welcome to Get a Deal. Today we're diving into the Home Depot's hottest deals for October 2024, and trust me, you don't want to miss these. Home Depot is in full fall mode, especially tools used in the fall and Halloween decorations. Without further ado, let's jump into the first deal. Alright, not to get too scary, but the 6-foot Talking Witch Halloween prop, battery operated, is only $39.99, down from $79.98. That's a 50% discount. Also, this Haunted Hill Farm 6-foot tall pre-lit inflatable school carriage, $129 down to $99 when you put it in your cart. I'm noticing that this Haunted Hill Farm is having a lot of deals, so this next one's going to be one. Also, with Haunted Hill Farm, you'll see a 30-inch talking and shaking clown. Again, Haunted Hill Farm seems to be like a new product, but it seems to have heavily discounted items, so definitely remember that name, Haunted Hill Farm. Check them out at Home Depot. All right, next up we've got Ryobi 40-volt brushless whisper series leaf blower, coming in at 160 miles per hour. It's one of their higher powered models. There is one, I believe, that goes 190 miles per hour, but this one down from 260 down to 199. This is something that I'm probably going to pick up this fall, probably this week. 650 CFM is plenty of power to handle any of your leaves, pine straw, you name it. This should handle it. Also coming with a 4-amp battery and charger. This is a great deal. You don't want to miss this one. All right, sticking with tools you may use in the fall. This is a 6-inch pruning mini chainsaw. So if you're cutting some small limbs, this could be good for you. If you already have, this is tool only, so if you already have a Ryobi 18-volt battery, this would be a great deal for you. $79 down from $99. Here's another great deal for Ryobi. It's a 1/2-inch high torque impact wrench kit with a 4-amp battery and charger, all for $159 down from $269. This is great if you want to take off some lug nuts for your car, keep in your truck, wherever. This is a great deal. This deal, we got a high pressure inflator with a 2-amp battery and a 4-amp battery and a charger, all for $109 down from $243. That's a 55% savings there. This is great also to keep in your car or truck when you need to fill some airs in your tires or bicycle tires for the kid, things like soccer balls and basketballs. This is a great deal right here. Also a great deal if you're just getting into Ryobi products, you're going to need some 18-volt batteries. This is a great starter kit to get a 2-amp and a 4-amp and a charger, all for $79, heavily discounted. So I know some people aren't Ryobi fans, so I also threw in some DeWalt. This 20-volt max tough system comes with 6 tools, cordless combo kit, all for $499, down from $749, 33% discount. You're getting some awesome tools here. You're getting some awesome tools here for their 20-volt line here. You got your drills, impact drills, oscillating tool, circular saw, 2 batteries, and a charger. Looks like a 5-amp and a 2-amp. Looks like a grinder, circular wheel there, and a sander, all for $499. Also, you get the Tough System 2.0 DeWalt, a rolling toolbox, which is a great deal as well. We've got some M18 18-volt lithium-ion high output, a 6-amp and a 3-amp battery. This is a 2-pack. It was $249 down to $149, saving of $100 there. This is a great deal as well for Milwaukee. Another great deal is for Milwaukee is this M18 Fuel Gen 2 18-volt impact wrench. Delivers up to 600 pounds of torque. Does have a friction ring with a 5-amp battery. Right now for $249, down from $429, with a 42% savings. All right, and one last deal for Milwaukee. I've got the M12 12-volt lithium-ion, the cordless combo kit. It's a 5-tool with two 1.5 amp batteries, charger, and a tool bag. You get all of it for $219, down from $399, a 45% discount. Check out that deal. It's an awesome deal to get. This is the 20-volt max quarter sheet sander and a 20-volt max power stack battery for $169, down from $300, a 44% savings there. Just to give you a comparison, if you were to add a 4-amp battery and a charger set, look at the price now. Next up, we've got a DeWalt Power Stack 20 volt lithium ion. You got a 5 amp and a 1.7 amp battery and charger for $179, down from $349. It's a 49% savings. Check that deal out. Next, we have some Rigid deals. This is an 18 volt drywall cutout tool. Comes with a 2 amp battery and charger, all for $79, down from $207. So this is a great deal from Rigid, which happens to be a really good brand. I've used their products before, and they're really good. Another great deal from Rigid is this 4-gallon, 5 peak amp horsepower portable shop vac. This is great if you're doing some car detailing or just have around the house to clean up some messes. Comes with the dust filter, hose, accessory kit. Great product here for 4 gallons. $104.94, down from $154, 32% savings. Check this product out. Now, I know some of the southern part of the country is still pretty hot, still in the 90 degrees in many areas. This 18 volt cordless hybrid job site fan with a 2 amp lithium battery for $99. What I like about it is a hybrid, so you can plug it in or use the battery, which is an awesome feature. For $99, down from $158. That's a 37% savings. It does say out of stock, but I have seen some recently in my local Home Depot. This is another great deal from Rigid. 2 4 amp battery starter kit with a charger and a bag. This is comparable to that Ryobi, but you do also get a bag with it as well. So if you do have Rigid products, I highly recommend getting these for $79, down from $277. Wanted to also include this Rigid deal. You get a 3-tool combo kit. You get your brushless 1/2-inch mid-torque impact wrench, a grease gun, and a digital inflator, all for $219, down from $457. 52% savings there. This is a great deal if you're into Rigid. If you already have some batteries, this would be an awesome deal to go after. Also, sticking with that outdoor theme, most of this time of year, people are cutting down branches, so a good pole saw will be needed. This one from Ryobi is only $135, down from $169. This one is a cordless battery pole saw, comes with a 1.3 amp battery and charger. This is a pretty good deal. Switching back to Milwaukee, this M18 Fuel 10-inch cordless pole saw with attachment capability. This is tool only for $249. So if you already got a Milwaukee battery for it, this would be a good option for you. There's still some great deals to be had on outdoor rugs or indoor rugs as well. So check those out at your local Home Depot. Some of those were 50% off. Also for Mission, cooling towels and cooling hats, bucket hats, things like that. Check those out at your local Home Depot. They were heavily discounted at mine. And one other bonus item, if you can find it in your Home Depot. I wasn't able to find one. I just ran out at my local Home Depot, but maybe there's still a 1 or 2 at your local Home Depot. For the Nest Learning Thermostat, down from $249 to $63. Like I said, you may be able to find a few at your Home Depot if they still have them. They're pushing these out because there's a new Nest thermostat coming out, a Generation 4, 4th generation coming out. So if you get a chance, go ahead and try to find one at your local Home Depot. There's also some great deals to be had on Patio Furniture, so don't forget to check your local Home Depot for those deals. And that's a wrap. Those are the top Home Depot deals this month. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to never miss out on the latest deals. I will also have an October deals video for Lowe's coming out tomorrow, so check that out.